69 at Little York, East Texas, working on the East Aldine Gateways project for the East Aldine Management District in Harris County Precinct 2. We're up art studio. Our crew is setting up to paint the northeast wall. We're excited to be here and can't wait to see the finished product.
So we're working on this beautiful project for the Aldine District. Well, we wanted these colors to bring in more color into the community. It's been really great to have so many people working and, just everybody getting along and creating something, everybody creating a one piece that is going to be so important for this community. This is a huge project. This is probably, well, not probably, this is the biggest project that I have overseen. Looking at the textiles, we saw that there was a lot of similar colors, right? And also adapting those colors to this community. The original design started as textiles from Latin America, and we're trying to represent the most cultures from this community.
You really don't know the wall until you touch it.
It's been going really smooth. I'm just looking forward to finishing so I can see the finished product, and just knowing that we had a part of it is something that makes me feel good. I see it as a legacy piece for Houston.
We're making it happen. I mean, I think Simi did an amazing job. I think Up Art Studio did an amazing job as far as the color palette.
It's very colorful, so I hope it'll pop out to people and give them a better vibe of just passing by it.
It's just to represent for, we're gonna put symbols on the walls, and it basically gives a representation of everything that East Aldine has.
Well, when this project is done, I'm sure that the community is gonna enjoy it. It changes the drive, when you exit the freeway, when you come into this community, and it really is gonna start showing the way of life of this community through the colors.
I'm just overjoyed that we've been able to deliver this project once and for all for the community, for the residents, for the stakeholders of this community. You can see behind me a bold, vibrant, beautiful vision for this district that came from the community, came from their input. And today, to finally be able to dedicate it to them is amazing. None of this would be possible without an incredible partner with Up Art Studio.